Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first time doing unboxing with my face showing. So before, I always hid behind camera because I never really felt like showing my face all over YouTube. But I think I've built up enough courage to finally show my face. So this is me. Hi, nice to meet you. So let's get to unboxing. So I already cut all the tapes to make it easier. So this is true unboxing. So let's open this. Dun, da, da, da. So I found this item on Trade. Oh, I just saw a little piece of it. It looks beautiful. So I found this item Trade, and I've been hunting for this for a really long time. It's a vintage bag and it doesn't come by that often. So I've been trying to find this for a long time, and I found this on Trade, but the price was rather high side. So I was trying to see if I could get a little discount, negotiating with the seller, and then I found her direct website. So I asked her if I could get a little more discount if I bought it directly from her website instead of Trade. That way she doesn't have to pay seller's fee. So anyway, long story short, I ended up buying this with a little bit of discount. So let's open this. There we go. Comes with the envelope. What is that? Oh, it's some kind of envelope from the seller's store. Okay, there we go. Wow, look at that. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? So this is I think it's like 90s style vintage bag with large CC. This is 24 karat gold plated, and if you open it, it's a single flap. Comes with the channel booklet and the authenticity card. So this is 27 series and cleaning cloth. So it's a single flap. Inside looks good and clean. And there is a zipper pocket on the back. There is a hardware missing right there. So it's a single flap. So the oh, this one is coming off right there, so that one has to be fixed. I was actually going, hello Milo, this is Milo, this is Bella. Bella, you're interrupting my filming. Okay. would you get your hiney out of my camera? Okay, anyway, so I was going to send this out to leather surgeon to get it restored. So they're gonna fix all these issues here, and then there is a missing screw right there. So I think I'm gonna go ahead with restoration service with leather surgeon. But other than a couple of issues, the bag looks to be really in good condition. I don't like that the bag is tilted a little bit forward, so I asked the leather surgeon to reshape it as well. So you can see the bag is a little bit scooshed and, you know, folded a little bit forward. So they're gonna fix all of that. Also, the strap is a little bit worn, you see. So they're gonna restore all of this. So yeah, so I just wanted to share this unboxing moment with you, and then I'll follow up with how the restoration goes. So thank you for watching. Bye.